हेलो फ्रेंड्स, माय नेम इज़ जया सिंह। वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल लाइब्रेरी इनसाइट। तो आज शुरू करते हैं एमपीपीएससी एंड यूपीपीएससी लाइब्रेरियन के कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यू। यूनिट फर्स्ट का 5th टॉपिक है नेशनल नॉलेज कमीशन, नेशनल मिशन ऑन लाइब्रेरीज एंड नेशनल एजुकेशन पॉलिसी 2020। क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, द नेशनल नॉलेज कमीशन कॉन्स्टिट्यूटेड ऑन 13 जून 2005 इन इंडिया विद द ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ। ऑप्शन ए, promoting research and innovation in library and information science. Option B, promoting excellence in higher education and knowledge dissemination. Option C, establishing national libraries across the country. Option D, regulating library services and resources. The answer is promoting excellence in higher education and knowledge dissemination. Question number 2, the National Mission on Library was launched in 2014 by the Government of India too. Option A, to modernize and digitally link public libraries across the country. Option B, standardized library management system. C, promote reading habit among the public. And option D, establish libraries in remote areas. The answer is to modernize and digitally link public libraries across the country. Question number 3, which of the following statement is true about new education policy 2020? Option A, NEP 2020 will replace 10+2 school curricular with 5+3+3+4 curricular structure. Option B, NEP 2020 will increase student enrollment in government school by 60%. NEP 2020 recommended increase in university library budget by 20%. And option D, NEP 2020 promoted and regulated distance education in India. The answer is NEP 2020 will replace 10+2 school curricular with 5+3+3+4 curricular structure. फ्रेंड्स, NEP 2020 में मेन चेंज ये है कि इसमें पुराना 10+2 मॉडल को बदलकर 5+3+3+4 मॉडल को इंट्रोड्यूस किया गया है। अब देश में सभी स्कूलों में इसी मॉडल पर पढ़ाया जाएगा। 5+3+3+4 में 5 का मतलब ये है कि शुरू में 3 साल बच्चा आंगनबाड़ी, बाल वाटिका, प्री स्कूल में पढ़ेगा, फिर 2 साल कक्षा 1 और 2 में पढ़ेगा। 3 साल का मतलब है कि 3 साल कक्षा 3, 4, 5 तक पढ़ेगा। फिर 3 का मतलब है 3 साल बच्चा 6, 7, 8 कक्षा में पढ़ेगा। लास्ट में 4 का मतलब है 9, 10, 11 और 12 क्लास 9, 10th, 11th, 12th कक्षा में पढ़ेगा। ओके फ्रेंड्स, तो आई थिंक आप सबको समझ आ गया होगा। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, was the nodal agency for the implementation of NML, National Mission on Libraries. Option A, National Library of India, Kolkata. B, Asiatic Society, Mumbai. C, Indian Library Association, ILA, Delhi. Raja Ram Mohan Roy Library Foundation, Kolkata. The answer is Raja Ram Mohan Roy Library Foundation, Kolkata. Question number 5, in which area in the new education policy 2020 more emphasis has been laid on setting up school libraries? Option A, in metros, in cities, in villages, in remote areas. The answer is in villages. Question number 6, under the chairmanship of which of the following personalities committee for evaluation of the NEP submitted its report in May 2016? Option A, late Sri T.S.R. Subramanian. B, Dr. K. Kasturirangan. C, Reena Roy. D, Sri Sam Pitroda. The answer is Dr. K. Kasturirangan. Question number 7, the National Mission on Libraries aims to provide support to various type of libraries including option A, public libraries academic libraries and research libraries. Option B, digital libraries, virtual libraries and mobile libraries. Option C, corporate libraries, government libraries and school libraries. All of the above. The answer is public libraries, academic libraries and research libraries. Question number 8. Consider the following point and mark the true. Option A, new education policy promotes multilingualism in both school and higher education. Option B, National Institute for Pali, Persian and Prakrit Indian Institute of Translation and Interpretation to be set up. Option C, teaching up to at least grade 5 to be in mother tongue regional language. And option D, all of the above. The answer is all of the above. Question number 9. The National Mission on Libraries focuses on promoting the concept of. Option A, open access publishing. B, lifelong learning. C, information literacy. And D, e-learning platforms. The answer is lifelong learning. Question number 10. The National Education Policy 2020 envisions the role of librarians as. Option A, knowledge managers and facilitators. Option B, resource allocators and budget planners. Option C, curriculum designers and evaluators. Option D, technology administrator and supports staff. The answer is knowledge managers and facilitators. Okay, thank you. Please subscribe, share and like. If you have any suggestion, please write in the comment box.